Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to It's Up Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Mark, and today we're going to be looking at market rally or crypto rally or something along those lines. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, hit the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live, and it'll also make a moo sound. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. And if you don't want to chat with me whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. The links in the description. Anyways, let's move on and see what's happening with the markets. Yo, facts. What is up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Right, so market cap. Let's go check it, man. Did we do good today or what? I think markets did okay. Yeah, look at that. We rallied. Yay. There's seems to be some lack of data because we seem to have gapped and then moved down quite a bit. But look, right? Remember what we said? If we break to the upside, we were looking for a hit of 1.03 trillion. Check mark, right? Hit. All right. So do we still have stuff here that we should worry about? I think there's still divergence in play. 2019. Yep, definitely. Right, coming in slightly lower here on the MACD. And we're still going much higher here at a key area of resistance. I think the market should have closed somewhere around here because that's where we have our opening for today. But, you know, since we're lacking information, we're just going to track it to what we have. And if you look at this, again, bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, again, at a key area of resistance. We're rejecting it. We knew we're going to get there. If we broke to the upside, we talked about that yesterday and we're already hitting it today. So good. Neutral at 59.52. That's it. Bearish. Might be looking for some movement down. Let's go see Bitcoin. Bitcoin did really good today. It was pumping around 6% when I saw it. I'm not sure what it closed for the day. 7.85. All right, so we managed to pump 1.85% more from last I saw on Bitcoin. Now, is everything good? Right? Is everything good on Bitcoin? It isn't. At least I don't think it is yet. We had bullish divergence here, bearish, sorry. And it was hitting bearish, and we stagnated for a day. We managed to rally, got out of this, you know, rubbishness. And that is fine. That is fine. But look at this, right? Bearish divergence strong now, right? So again, with that, the potential for action downside. We're failing to get above 23,220 again. Looking for that continuation to the upside. Maybe hit that 23,000. Maybe even hit 25,000, right? And then see where we're at there. Just remember, we could still be going for that next leg down, right? Our third leg down. That leaves us 10, 12K. We are not out of the woods. That's why I'm not super happy. But, you know, we're starting to look a little bit better, right? At least we managed to break this area of stagnation or monotony that we were trading in. Breaking the channels to the upside. Very nice. We just back testing it right now, using it as support. Look, if we zoom in here, you're going to see that we're using this area here as support. 21,955 became a support, right? So good. Hopefully we hold it and stagnate this level before we move back up again. That'll be nice. Or at least just get continuation to the upside, but not getting to this. Dropping back down below 21,000 will be considered a fake breakout for today. And then that could put us back onto where we're trading this weird and boring channel. Right? That's it for Bitcoin here in the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Yeah. Your birthday is this Friday? Awesome, dude. Congrats. I'm not sure how old you're going to be turning, but congrats, brother. Look at this, right? Bearish. Bearish divergence strong. We had to here. We moved down again. We created that hidden bullish afterwards, right? So we knew we could get continuation. Very nice continuation to the upside. Boom. Look at that. Bearish divergence strong. Still in play. Potential for moving down. Came back down again. 21,000 managed to recover for the next candle and close outside of that 21,955. And again, back testing it as support right now. Not looking too bad. Neutral 58.38. Nothing else happening that is bullish. We just have the strong bearish. That's why I said we could flag or stagnate this level for a bit. Let's see how things come through, right? We might still be able to drop. So we're above that 20 moving average, which is fine. And let's go here on the 1 hour, man. 35 or awesome, bro. This happened today. Created bearish divergence at 10 in the morning, dropping down on that, right? Finding support. Next line acting as support. That's kind of cool. And then getting that next pop coming in here, right? Bearish divergence here happening. And again, like I said, now. So finally getting a break, which is good. The bad thing is that we have bearish divergence that's building. Had the bullishness, right? We had this one yesterday, 17th. And we're live here in this candle. We talked about where we could go. Boom, boom, boom. Managed to break everything to the upside. And again, finally getting a break. Remember I said yesterday, we are looking for a break. We just got to wait. We're patient. You have to have a plan, but we are still looking for a break to happen. And guess what? We got our break. I feel happy that we got a break happening. Right? It just, I think the market was due for a break. The market was really, really due for a break. And that is just, it's going to give hope to people that we might be looking for action to the upside. At least it's not so longer in the boringness of sideways motion. It was it was an exciting day today. It was just an exciting day to trade. Let's go back to Ethereum, 1,500. Ethereum did beautiful, man. Ethereum did beautifully, man. Ethereum pumped 18% by the end of the day. $250 almost. That is very, very nice. Again, very nice action to the upside. We're looking for some bearishness here on the short term. Guess what? We no longer have this bearishness, right? At least not against the MACD, and against the RSI, we're still going to be coming down here, and this is just going higher. So that hidden divergence is still going to be in play. I just got to wait for this here to load. For some reason, it's not loading, and I can see that my chart is starting to get stuck. So I hope I don't crash. There we go. All right, let's go back to that chart. Had to do something because it was just getting stuck here. Wow. There we go. All right. So this divergence shifts to there. Again, it is still hidden divergence, and that would be the one from the previous island, actually, the one that comes here. So we're just gonna reposition this like that so it matches, right? So hidden divergence, potential for stagnation. We are getting it near a resistance zone, which is okay. And again, we come back down, finding support at that $1,514 mark, and it's not looking bad for Ethereum. It actually could continue running. I think it's going bullish. So a lot of people saying it's because of Ethereum 2.0, the POS things that are going to be happening here soon. Yes, and we'll see what else Ethereum has going on for it, right? So let's go here on the 4-hour chart, and look at that, right? So bearish divergence is strong, starting that moving down slightly, and we had the possibility for action to downside here on the MACD. I think on this larger move that we had that bearish divergence. Look at that, this still higher than here. So this one we had it latest sideways, pumped again, very nice move there, and this is just still tracking on to here, right? So again, bearish divergence strong against the MACD and the RSI. That the possibility for moving down, we are starting to move down again. Would be really nice if we flag here, hold above 1,514, and then see where we go from there, right? But again, doing okay. Overbought at 69.47. Again, bearish divergence strong while being overbought usually is the catalyst for action to downside, right? Great stream tonight. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Alrighty, thank you very much, Jake Roberts. We now have 2 Jakes also. That is pretty cool. I was talking yesterday about the doubles that we had. We had 2 Craigs, 2 Gavins, 2... now we have 2 Jakes. Well, we had a couple Steves, I think. Anyways, bearish divergence strong. Potential for action downside. Starting to move down after hitting 1,618. Not a bad move. Again, I kind of like the way Ethereum rallied today. It showed a lot of strength, and it was consistent throughout the day. Once we got into this level, kind of flagged here for a bit, and I thought we were done by the time this move here came, because we had that bearish divergence here in the short term. But man, that 1,465 held beautifully. And now we're moving to the next level, right? So right now we're trying to hold support at 1,514. If we do, could be looking for a pop and try to break that 1,618, and then maybe start to go for that 1,700, right? It's not a bad move here. Not a bad move here on Ethereum, right? It's looking good. All right, ADA also did very nice. Last time I checked, ADA was around 9%. I'm not sure where it closed for the day. footage taking forever to change. Here we go. 9.37, so very close to where I looked last. And we had the bullish divergence. We're starting to get the rally, but this hidden divergence still tracking from the previous area. Again, with that, the possibility for action to downside, maybe stagnation to come in. We managed to get above the 20, which is very nice. Neutral at 52.83. We could still run a little bit more. Nothing wrong with that. Let's go here to the 4-hour. At the bearishness, look, move sideways. Popping again. We are getting rid of the bearishness here. So we're getting rid about this bearishness and also from any other bearishness, right? So this one did play us down, hit that 20, beautifully bounced. And now we're trying to go for the 55-cent mark. That's going to be our target. We're in stagnation. There's probably going to be divergence here of some kind. We shall see. There isn't. There's some slight bearish divergence here, but yeah, it is not horrible. Where was I looking at? No, this is actually going higher. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Boom, right there we go. Bearish divergence, strong moving down. Now trying to rally, and again, we might be creating some hidden bullish. Right, that hidden bullish is going to bring continuation, right? And with that, the potential for action to the upside. Neutral at 54.42, and again, we're getting that stagnation, maybe continuation to the upside. We got above that 20 already. We should get higher than the previous high. Right now, we're getting that sideways motion happening, tightness of the Bollinger Bands. On the daily, man, that Bollinger Bands were in that upper range. I forgot to check the Bitcoin Bollinger Bands when we were talking about the corn. I'll see if I can check it. I think we're also going to be up on that upper portion, if not starting to expand them to the upside. So, yes, as you can tell, that Bollinger Bands, right? Starting to get some slight expansion to the upside. Hopefully we can go parabolic and bump from here. Get to that 27,000 zone. That'll be very, very nice. That's going to get, if Ethereum keeps pumping the way it is against Bitcoin, it's probably going to be, hitting the 2000s and even higher than the 2000s if Bitcoin manages to go to the 27K mark. Ethereum did start to get that expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the upside. Very nice. And again, going parabolic. Right now we're outside of those Bollinger Bands. That means that we don't pump. We might be looking for some stagnation, let the Bollinger Bands catch up to us, or we're going to drop back down and get back onto those Bollinger Bands, right? That's usually the options that we have. Right? So cool stuff, man. Cool stuff happening tonight. Sorry about coming in late. I had to make dinner tonight. So took me a little bit longer than expected. Right? What happened with the dollar? Did the dollar do something weird? Let's check out the DXY. The DXY. 107. All right, it dropped. All right, part of the reason why Bitcoin could have rallied, right? The dollar losing strength. Is it the bottom or a relief rally? That is the question, Jake Roberts. That is a question. It might be a sucker's rally to get that third leg down. So we knew we had some bearishness here on the dollar index, and that is part of the reason that we're getting that drop happening. Oh no, I just completely skewed. Yeah, there we go. Back to the Bitcoin. I mean, it looks as though we're still on track to get this motion going on. So we had one here, drop. Maybe we can get two and drop, right? We don't know if it's the bottom yet. We don't know if it's the bottom yet. Unfortunately, we're not going to know if it's the bottom until I think we start to recover above this area. 36,000. Jeez, that's going to be quite a bit. Reason for that is, I mean, we are holding to some support from back here, right? On this chart here at 19,700 and previous old highs here, right? So again, you can see that if we were to draw a line around this here zone, you're going to have a hit point here, and then a hit point here, and then, a hit point here. So if we look at this, we start to get some recovery, right? But if this is going to be a three falling peak pattern, right, that could do us in for that 12,000s, then we just need to stay below the previous high here, right, and get something that looks kind of similar. But for that to happen, we still need to get we still get above this previous high here, and that's gonna be at 46,000. Unfortunately, it is not like it's easy to tell if this is the bottom or if the bottom's in. You're probably gonna hear a lot of people saying that the bottom's in, and it could be that the bottom is in. I don't think the bottom's in yet until we get some kind of good confirmation. We start to get a better rally. So for me, a better rally maybe would be coming up to 28,000, 30,000 to recover this old zone that we were trading in, right? And then reclaim the zone that we were for like 3 weeks. And then if we start a rally from there, then yes, this could be a bottom, right? And that could be looking good. Otherwise, this could just be that bull trap, right? We got bull trap for us to get the farther sell off and drop slightly lower. Yeah, facts is right. Eventually, it's gonna be very cheap. Right. So, how's XRP doing, man? Did XRP manage to do anything cool yesterday? No. Well, that is a weekly though. Let's go on a daily. It might have. 6%, not bad, not bad. It did worse than Bitcoin. Let's check out XLM. XLM looks like it did better, but you know it could be tricky. 7.49. It did better, and it's breaking out of this fallen wedge to the upside. This looks like a break now, right? This looks like you go bullish. Now, where would that lead us if this is what the area that we're trading for now? I'm just gonna go like this. If this is what we're trading, we could be aiming at 17 cents. For XLM, right? Back to the corn. You're expecting to drop next week. The Fed does the interest rate hike. Maybe it could drop next week, right? Could be the whales manipulating the market to lure people in so they can take their money so that when the hikes happen, you know, they're still going to be having a little bit more net worth. Yeah. It is a good day for crypto, guys. It was a good day for crypto. Right? We hadn't had a good day in a while, so I'm happy. I'm glad that we got a nice rally. I mean, it's no... how much did we pump here? 7%? All right, it's the same pump. 7.85. We actually pumped better than when we pumped back here. It just looks smaller because, you know, that 7%. We're pumping 7% from, like, you know, 20,000, which is not the same as pumping 7% from 29,000. Bring Fax's phone's dying. Dude, I hope you're having an awesome trip. Thank you very much for stopping by. Yeah, it's going to be a short stream, guys. I'm sorry about the short streams. Had to do dinner tonight for the kids, and I'm just tired in general. I haven't getting really good night's sleep. My son has been sick. So he's had measles, then he had like a cold, and now he had like a kind of stomach bug. He was throwing up the last couple of days. He had fevers and things like that. So me and the wife have not been getting the best night's sleeps, and I'm still freaking tired. I think we could talk markets, right? We've talked about what happened with Bitcoin, Ethereum, where they could go. Again, I said it's important information that we needed to share and talk about where we could go, not get overexcited as to what could be happening with the market. You know, and I really enjoyed coming in here, but I need to get some rest. Like that's, I can feel, and you guys can probably tell when I'm like my energy level, it is not where it's supposed to be, because even I can feel like, oh man, I suck tonight at streaming because I feel tired, and I just feel like I'm not, like, you know, as upbeat and things like that. So, you know, I'm just trying to come in, talk crypto, even if it's for a little bit. But I do really need to catch some C's and get to sleep. Plus, the trade printing biz that I started, it's also starting to take off very nicely. And something that just keeps happening is that I have to wake up like at an hour so I can put the next print, because I only have the one printer, and it is busy all the time. So I have not been able to print personal projects since I got a couple good clients that have just been reordering. It's just one main client, and then the other ones are smaller ones. But the main client just keeps reordering and reordering and reordering, and that is pretty cool. I mean, I was able to buy other printers with that money, but having to wake up at, like, right now I'm gonna have to put a print at maybe 11 p.m. and then that print's gonna be done by 5, and then I'm gonna have to put the next one in because I have to deliver it to them tomorrow. So it's just it's also killing my schedule. So whatever sleep I can get, it's good, but between that and the kid having fever, having to wake up to give medicine and things like that, it's just it just takes time, right? It's I've been taking a beating with the very, very bad sleep lately. Yo on Twitch says, I'm heavy short. Do you think we will dump hard? We could. I'm not saying we're out of the woods. We are breaking areas. We're breaking the channel that we were trading in to the upside, which is fine. I just don't think we're out of the woods yet. There's some bearish divergence that is developing. We can still try to rally more. I don't think we're going to be out of the woods until we get above 25,000. Maybe once we get back up here, the 28s, right? And get back up this old channel that we're trading in. This could be a good area to say, yes, maybe this is done. And if we drop, it's not going to be that bad, but we could try to rally again harder from here. I think this would be a very nice area to get in. Maybe about 25,000 and above could be a good in. But for now, I think it's still risky. We might undo the gains from today, tomorrow, right? As we sometimes see crypto do. We pump and then, we have stagnation, and then we wipe the gains, right? So just because we rallied and we broke, see here we also broke a formation. It's not mean. Right? We could say that this is a formation. We kind of broke it, and now we're breaking back down, right? We kind of stayed here before we dropped. So look, you just want us to do something similar, right? We are breaking it. So this could be this break here. Maybe we stagnate, maybe we come back down, and if this looks like it's going to repeat itself, we could still be looking for another drop. So we're not out of the woods. Just, I think it was a good day. If you took advantage and took trades, that is awesome. I was able to take some quick trades today. And in Ethereum mainly, because that's what I've been trading the most lately. And yeah, I'm happy. I was able to get a couple bucks in the bank, and it's pretty freaking cool. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's gonna be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Just on the Discord, links have gone out. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and on that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Till then.